Hello, welcome to Communication 3101, Communication Self and Others. I'm Professor Brian Heisterkamp. I want to spend just a couple minutes to tell you about the class and a little bit about myself and what we'll be learning this term. So, some of you might be wondering, why should you take a course such as this? And I know one of the reasons why many, if not most of you are here is because this is a required course. But I think there are other reasons to take this course other than that, and one is it will help you understand some of your life experiences and what theory can be used to explain or help you understand those experiences from the perspective of the major that you've chosen. Also help develop some of your communication skills, both oral skill and writing skill. And it will help you understand some of the findings that you've studied in other courses. So what are some of the theories that underlie those findings? So some of the outcomes expected from this course, and you can see these in the syllabus, but we want to help you understand how theory is developed and what's the relationship between theory and method, and also to be able to sort of situate the theories in terms of different criteria. So we'll talk about interpretive versus objective theories, and we'll talk about ways that we group theories into the different areas that we study communication, such as interpersonal communication, organizational communication, public relations, and intercultural communication, for example. Then one of the other things to consider is how does this course tie into some of the broader program learning outcomes that the department has for students such as yourselves who are majoring in communication. So again, you can see these in your syllabus, but I just want to highlight one of those is that communication facilitates the construction of individual and social realities. So we'll look at different ways that we can explain how it is communication related to the realities that we construct on a day-to-day basis. Then to tell you just a little bit about myself, I earned my Bachelor of Science in Management from Arizona State University. Then I earned my master's degree in communication at San Diego State University, so I switched from business to communication studies when I went on to graduate school. And then I earned my PhD also from Arizona State in communication studies. So you might think, given that I've gone to school at Arizona State and San Diego State, that I'm from the West, but I'm actually from the Black Hills of South Dakota. I might be the first person that you've ever known from South Dakota. But I was smart and got out of the cold. It was a great place to grow up, but I'm happy to be out in the West. And so I do hope that you enjoy the course, take some time to get to know each other. If you have questions during the course, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can send me an individual email, or if you have other questions about the course, about quizzes or papers or things that are of general interest to your classmates, please use the classroom questions discussion forum to post those questions so that people can see the question and the responses to those questions. So I do hope you enjoy the course, and never hesitate to get in touch with me if you have questions.